This is your boy PK on another hiking experience, and today we are at Groenkloof. But I'm not alone, guys. I've got two wonderful guests with me. What's your name, man? SCN. How long have you been hiking, bro?
I've been hiking for over 15 years.
15 years, man. I wonder where I was at 15 years ago, man. Seems like a long, long time ago. And right here, what's your name, sister? Pascal, man. Almost like I've got another PK, two PKs over here. Double the travel, double the fun. How long have you been hiking, PK?
10 years now.
10 years?
Yes.
Wow, man. I've got generosity. I've been hiking for 1 year. But yeah.
Welcome.
Don't worry.
So, okay, we're at Groenkloof. It's a tough one. It's already showing me flames. So let's see what this trail has in store for us. Let's do this, guys.
Why does my heart feel so glad? Why does my soul feel so glad? Why does my heart feel so glad? Why does my soul feel so glad? Why does my heart feel so glad? Why does my soul feel so glad? Why does my heart feel so glad? Why does my soul feel so glad? Why does my soul feel so glad?
Nah. Should have a
It's your boy PK. Man, Groenkloof is tough, man. I'm feeling it. The inclines at the beginning were tough. Even midway, there's an incline between 6 kilometers and 8 kilometers. Yeah, it's tough, but I'm having a great time. But check out these views, guys. Breathtaking. So the people that I'm with are going down there. There's a giraffe. They want to spot the giraffe. So let's see if we can also spot it. Let's do this. Yo, it's killing me, guys. Man, the Christmas lunches, they're all coming in now. Man, it was tough, man. I thought it was gonna be easy, but yeah, man. But we still like left with 2Ks, but I'm gonna crush it. You know what they say? It may be tough, but I'm more tougher. Let's do this, guys. It's your boy PK. We did it. We conquered Groenkloof. How was it, ACN?
It was nice, easy,
Yeah,
beautiful.
nice.
And the
easy.
weather was very, very, very good.
Yeah, and it's a great way to say bye-bye to 2022.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. And Pascal, how was it?
Amazing. Beautiful.
We can't hear you. What was that?
It was amazing.
And beautiful,
And
ne?
beautiful, yes.
Yeah, for
and
me.
easy.
And easy. And for me, the Christmas lunches came back to haunt me, man. I was huffing and puffing all the way. It wasn't easy for me. I was crying, but you know what? I'll be back soon, bigger and better. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification to get alerted when the next hiking video comes. But as you know, when one hike ends, another begins. Where are we going to next time? Take a look of where we're going to next time on the hiking experience. Until then, peace out. Next time on the hiking experience.
Oh, 5K, 10K.
It says enter a door on this road.